Secure ship for sea. Make all preparations for getting underway.
Single up all lines. Cast off forward, cast off aft. Clear the bridge. Secure hatches and vents. Stand by engines. Ship rigged for getting underway.
Where we're going?
Is that so right?
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Here we go.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Stand by to dive. Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks. Let's take it down. Dive. Dive. Trim out diving plates, 3 degrees. Take it out easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 100 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right run up to 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea. Fish. Stand by for the push.
That's a big fish, huh?
Our destination
I don't know, maybe a
is quite
grouper or
extraordinary.
something?
A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Yet, until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Oh, there's a Netflix statue. Look at the diver. See his feet kicking? Yeah.
Steer 40 degrees.
Look at the fish over there by the statue.
Mind your distance from one star. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef.
See the coral.
The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
I'll show you. You can't see it from there.
Radar 1. Service
opening?
from ahead, sir.
No
That's a
worries.
giant oyster.
Take it down fast and deep.
Seems like
All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down ice water.
that's a big clam. And that is coral. All the bright colors. That's coral.
Very true. There
Look in
he
there
goes.
so you can look down and see some of the stuff. That's why you gotta go back. Oh, look at that.
The fish
Those are little
has always
lobsters,
been
I think, or
considered
crabs.
a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in
Ooh, that was an eel.
technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar
that was another eel.
microphones to actually hear
Ooh, that was an eel there too.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Look,
I see him any minute now.
it's Nemo.
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know.
Oh, look, there's the turtle Nemo. Look all up on the dude.
Tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude. You'll be like, whoa, like
We're approaching the EAC.
There's
Hold
the
it steady. Take her into the car. Go ahead, stand up.
more bubbles.
The powerful flow of the East Australian Current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin.
This is
See all the fish?
This is not funny, and I know funny.
There's just pieces of it. It's a boat that got sunk a long time ago. Look,
Check it out.
Nemo.
Wow. It's a big
There's Dory.
spot. Sweet.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
Oh, look,
That's right.
the little shrimpies.
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We've been on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is orange with white stripes.
Yes.
There's nothing I like better than canned food. Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. At least
That's
not
the
all
shark
at
from
once.
Nemo.
Come on, Bruce. Remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless feeding machine.
It's almost
Love
over.
friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You would want one of these balloons.
Nothing steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead forward.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I
Those
don't
twinkling
know.
things.
Race in there. Okay,
Can you show
go.
us what they are? I wonder if they're jellyfish.
Dory.
Wait.
What?
I see
Oh,
pretty
look
lights.
at
I see.
Each with a light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon. Boing.
It's jellyfish.
You're good. Boing. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants.
all the jellyfish.
Dory, stop playing
pretty.
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Look at there's Dory and Nemo and his daddy.
It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Bargain.
Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales will eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Cindy Plankton is never gonna
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm out. A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
Crikey.
Should I enter any of these into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her out before we ever run into the sea serpent or encounter the mermaid. We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
See? We're right back where we were.
Station delivery watch.
Yeah.
Rig ship for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29.
So
Stand
good.
by the dock.
All ahead, 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now, folks,
Look
when
at
the
that
cabin
one.
lights come
That's a
on,
different looking
please
one.
stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore. All ashore, please. Check you later.
What do you think about this one?
What did you think about this ride? Air.
Keep us keep the window from fogging up.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. So it's face right up in the